Now, before beginning with the introduction to the course, I wish to share one scenario. Scenario at the Indian Patent Office. Do you know how many patents are filed at Indian Patent Office every year? Yes, almost 45,000 patents are filed, out of which how many are filed by Indian nationals? Any guess? Only 13,000. Then, what about the remaining patent applications? These are filed by other foreign nationals. So, out of 45,000, 13,000 are filed by Indian nationals. Just for a simple comparison, we will see the scenario in other country, say USA. How many patents are filed in USA Patent Office? Any guess? In USA, almost 5,000 patent applications are filed every week. It is interesting to note that India, although very rich in intellectual capital with a population of 1.3 billion, only 13,000 patents are filed each year.